Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, in this video I'm gonna share with you amazing method to earn a high amount of money from Crakrevenue affiliate network. Friends, as you can see here, this is my earnings. You can also earn this amount of money. Friends, if you do not have a Crakrevenue account, then don't worry. You can watch my previous video to learn how to create Crakrevenue account. You can get that video link in this video description box below. You can start making money with just your mobile phone. Friends, I will also teach you how to get lot of audience from a specific country. Watch this full video carefully all the way until the end. Friends, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on this channel, you will be updated. And also please like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, open Chrome browser and search here Google site. Click on this first link. Friends, here you can see there are a lot of Google sites templates. You can choose any one of these templates. I'm going to choose blank templates to make my own site design. Type here page title. Make this title bold. Now I'm going to change its background. Click on change image button. Click on select image. Friends, here you can see there are a lot of images to choose from. I'm going to choose this image. Click on select button. Now I'm going to upload your best dating image. Click on image button. Click on select button. Select here Google image. Now type here dating. Friends, here you can see there are a lot of dating images. You can choose any one of these dating images. Click on insert button. Now drag this image here. Now I'm going to type here some attractive articles. Click on text box. Type here some attractive articles. Friends, you can just pause this video and copy all this text. Now I'm going to add here button to promote Crakrevenue offers. Click on image button. Click on select. Select here Google image. Now type here sign up. Scroll down below and select this image. Click on insert button. Drag this image here. Now duplicate this image and drag this image here. Now I'm going to add here some girl's picture. Okay, so after completing this page design, I'm going to add here Crakrevenue offers link. Friends, let's see what kind of offer I use to promote. Open Crakrevenue account and click on this dating offer. Friends, it's best dating offer. This offer is available worldwide. I mostly promote this dating offer to earn money. Friends, here you can see conversion flow. If your audience will click on this offer link and they will generate a conversion, then you will earn money. Friends, here is your dating affiliate link. Click here to copy this affiliate link. Friends, here you can see if you will directly share this affiliate link to your friends, then you will not earn money. Let's see how you can add this affiliate link on your landing page. I'm going to add affiliate link on this button. Click on this button. Now click on this link icon. Paste here that affiliate link. Click on apply button. Click on this button also. Click on link icon and paste here affiliate link. Click on apply button. Now I'm going to add that dating affiliate link on some of this picture. Click on this picture. Click on link icon. Paste here that dating affiliate link. Click on apply button. Now I'm going to add another Crakrevenue offers. Click on this scam offer. Now click on this offer. Friends, I'm going to promote this offer. Friends, here you can see this offer is available worldwide. And here you can see payout. When someone will just sign up on this offer, then you will earn $4.50. Friends, different countries have different payout rates. Let me show you payout rates. Click on this button. Friends, here you can see if someone will sign up on this offer from Canada using desktop, then you will earn $4. Friends, here you can see different countries have different payout rates. Let me show you how you can promote this offer offer. Here is affiliate link of this offer. Click here to copy this affiliate link. Friends, here you can see some restrictions. If you will share this affiliate link directly to your friends, then you will not earn money. You will have to make landing page or website to promote this offer. After making landing page, you can directly share your landing page to your friends. Friends, here you can see conversion flow of this offer. When your audience will click on this offer and they will just sign up, then you will earn money. Friends, I'm going to add this affiliate link on my landing page. Click on image and click on this link icon. Paste here that affiliate link. Click on apply button. Okay, so after completing it, click on publish button. Now type your unique web address. Click on publish button. Now click on this view button. Friends, here you can see my landing page is looking attractive. Now let's see how you can get lot of audience on this landing page. Friends, I'm going to share with you amazing method to get lot of audience. Watch this full video carefully all the way until the end. Friends, go to this website classifyerads.com. Friends, here you can promote your landing page in free. You can get lot of audience from this website. Friends, let me show you how much audience visit on this website monthly. Friends, here you can see this website have over 1 million visitors monthly, and here you can see this website gets over 40% audience from United States. Friends, you can get lot of audience from this website on your landing page. Let me show you how you can promote your landing page on this website. Click on this button. Now type here United States city name, California. Type here add title. Copy this title and paste here. Now type here description. Copy this description and paste here. Type here click on this link to visit on my website. Now go to your landing page and copy this URL. Now select any of this article. Click on this link icon. Now paste here your landing page URL. Click on OK button. I'm going to paste here also. Now scroll down below and type here your name. Type here your email address. Now scroll down below and select here expiry date of this ad, 9 months. Type here this captcha. Now I'm going to upload here attractive image. Friends, here you can see if you will upload nude photos, then your photos will be removed. I'm going to upload your attractive image. Click on choose file button. Now select your image and click on open button. I'm going to upload more image. Okay, so after completing it, I'm going to check this post. Friends, I'm going to change this description size. Select all this text and click on size button. Now select here any one of this size. Yeah, it's looking great. Scroll down below and click on this post this ad button. Yeah, here we go. Friends, here you can see my ad has been posted. Here is showing my ad. It's looking great. Friends, once someone will click on this link, then they will be redirected on my Google site, as you can see here. Friends, once someone will click on any of this image and they will just sign up, then you will earn $4.50 per person. Friends, as I recently said, this website gets over 40% visitors from United States. And here you can see I have posted this ad to get audience from United States. Friends, once someone will from United States sign up on this offer, then you will earn $3.45 per person. Friends, let me show you another way to get lot of audience on this landing page. Watch this full video carefully all the way until the end. Go to facebook.com and search here dating. Now click on groups button. Enable public groups. Now select your city, California. Friends, here you can see there are a lot of dating groups. All these groups have thousands of members. Open this dating group. Click on this photo button. Now select your best girl's photo. Type here, hey, I'm looking for partner. DM me. Click on post button. Friends, my post is in pending. Once this group admin will approve my post, then my post will be reached to all these members. Friends, as you can see, this group have over 132,000 members. And this group have maximum members from United States. Friends, I recommend you to post your landing page on these small groups every day. You can easily get approval on these small groups. Friends, here you can see I have recently published this post. As you can see, my post is not in pending. My post is live. Friends, once someone will click on this URL link, then they will be redirected on my landing page. As you can see here, once someone will click on any of this image, then they will be redirected on this Crakrevenue offer. Once they will just sign up on this offer, then you will earn $4.50 per person. It's one of the easiest way to earn high amount of money from Crakrevenue affiliate network. Friends, you can share your landing page on WhatsApp group, Facebook group, Twitter, Instagram, and all social media networks to get audience. Friends, make sure do not share this affiliate link directly on social media networks. If you will do so, then you will not earn money. You will have to create landing page to share this affiliate link. Friends, as you can see, I earn good money from this Crakrevenue affiliate network. Once my earning will reach minimum $1,000, then Crakrevenue team will directly transfer my money to my bank account. Friends, I have uploaded lot of tutorials about CPA marketing on this channel. You can also watch that video to learn everything about CPA marketing. I hope you found this video at all helpful. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.